create a duplicate of the component shown on the left over here. And we're going to run Vault's duplicate search functionality. So if we choose the side cover and we run a search, we see that there's no duplicates found. If we repeat that though on the copy that I made earlier, and it searches the Vault, you'll see it's found 2 other suspects. We can see that one of them is being used in 2 other files and the other's been used nowhere. So if we look at the details of the file that's been used in 2 other places, we can see a bit of design history, which is encouraging, and we can even see where it's been used. So I know that this file's been used in Vault and has been released before. If we look at the other one, under its details, we can see it's not in anywhere used places, meaning it hasn't been used in any other assemblies. So what I can do is I can now go up to the top level one and say replace all, and you'll see that it tells me an occurrence of 1 has been replaced, and I've now gotten rid of that duplicate. So I can check my design into Vault knowing that I haven't introduced new duplicates to the design.